Durack Civil has been engaged by Kyogle Shire Council to deliver Package 101, the Kyogle Slope Remediation Project. This work follows the severe weather events of 2022, which caused significant landslips and disrupted vital connections across the region. With funding provided under the joint Australian and New South Wales Government, these disaster recovery works enable Council to restore these critical road lengths and strengthen them for the future. Across 7 locations on Homeleigh Road, Lyons Road and Kyogle Road, our crews are focused on ensuring long-term slope stability and road user safety. Projects like this are about more than just construction. They provide security for families, for local businesses, and resilience for the wider community. Through Package 101, Kyogle is not only repairing damage, but building back stronger for the years ahead.